guys, my name's Link from Gardening Express, and today we're going to be talking about the humble bay tree. In this video we're going to cover the bay tree's origins, history, uses and of course its care. So let's get started. The bay tree comes from Mediterranean origins but can tolerate milder climates. The ancient Greeks and Romans used bay trees to create wreaths to symbolise victory, honour and wisdom. Now what you probably know bay trees for is their leaves, and that's used a lot in cooking. For instance, you can use them in curries, stews, soups and for braising meats. The best way to use a bay leaf is to cook it for longer so that the flavour releases itself nice and slowly. Now it's important to know if the leaves turn yellow, then it's most likely that your plant is being overwatered, and if the leaves turn brown, then it's probably being underwatered. So it's very good at telling you what it needs. Now, if you're in a really cold winter, it's good to consider having some frost protection for these plants as they're not particularly keen on the cold. And if it really is that bad, you should consider bringing them inside if you've got the room. Another thing to consider when it does come to winter is making sure that you water it ever so slightly less to make sure that it doesn't get too waterlogged. And that's the bay tree, a Mediterranean gem that's easy to care for and will last you decades, and also will help you out in the kitchen. Maybe not doing the dishes though. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and check out our Knowledge Hub for more tips and tricks on how to keep your garden looking great.